Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a dessert. A delightful Spanish treat, known for their crispy exterior and soft, doughy interior, often dusted with sugar and cinnamon. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as churros, churros, chew. Rose. Churros. Churros are often enjoyed during many occasions, especially when paired with a rich chocolate dipping sauce. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about churros, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.